Welcome to St. Pius X High School in Houston, Texas. Here we proudly develop leaders and scholars hailing from across the entire Houston area and beyond. We boast championship-winning sports, award-winning fine arts programs, and academic offerings to prepare you for the college of your choice. Hi, welcome to St. Pius X High School. My name is Jeffrey Guidry, and I'm the Director of Enrollment Management. We're here at our main entrance. Let's get started. This is our main lobby. As you can tell from the architecture, it remains true to our original legacy construction, while also modernizing with these portraits of our scholars and leaders along the walls. Let's move on to our first stop. This is our White Family Center for Science and Technology. It is home to 7 science labs, an internet cafe, makerspace, and more. Over here you can see student pickup and drop-off, as well as our competition softball field. This is our lobby. From here, it's just a few short steps to our Bramante Media Center and Learning Commons. Our 21st century library and internet cafe features audio-visual equipped study rooms, a smartboard, and a 3D printer for usage by our students. From here, we'll exit to go to one of our science building classrooms. Our spacious science classrooms come fully lab equipped, including a hood for chemistry. Flexible seating and a smartboard allow for smooth transitions between learning types. Let's head up to the second floor where we'll see our Office for Campus Ministries prayer space. This is our Sacred Heart Chapel, named in honor of our founding Dominican sisters. It is one of 2 dedicated spaces on campus where our students can come for quiet contemplation and prayer. Newly added, our College Center is an open concept space for our students to come listen to presentations by college representatives. Additionally, it is an area for them to come work on college applications, essays, and financial aid with our college counselor. This is our Paul A. Gilliam Learning Center. Students enrolled in our Learning for Success program receive academic supports and accommodations based on their learning differences. Let's head back to the main lobby to go to our next destination. Head down the main hallway to get to our auditorium. Our auditorium, complete with state-of-the-art sound system, is where we host plays, productions, guest speakers, and Mass. Welcome to our athletic training clinic. Here, our full-time trainer, in conjunction with Texas Orthopedic Hospital, teaches our student trainers to treat athletic injuries and to promote rapid recovery. Back now in our main hallway towards the Commons. Welcome to our Commons and Courtyard, where our students can have lunch or teachers can bring their classes. Here in our Hertzstein Competition Gymnasium, our students compete in volleyball and basketball to add to the already existing banners that decorate its walls. Now we're in our weight room. Here, the best equipment is combined with the best coaching to give our student athletes all the edge they need to compete for championships. Let's head out of our weight room to our competition baseball field in Kubiak Stadium that is currently under construction for the installation of field turf. We're back in the main lobby, and that concludes our virtual tour of St. Pius X High School. Thank you for taking the time to be here with me today. Your next step is to go under the admissions tab of our website to begin your application. I look forward to hearing from you.